Hello my friends, as you know, drinking natural homemade mixtures and herbal teas is one of the best ways to lose weight. These drinks boost your metabolism and help you to lose weight. Today in this video, we want to make one of the best drinks, so stay tuned. At first, grate 2 cloves of garlic and put them in a pan. Then grate a piece of ginger and add it to the pan. Now pour 1 glass of water and add some cloves to the ingredients and let them boil. Put some coriander stalk in the pan, stir it, and then filter the drink. Finally, add a teaspoon of coffee powder and stir it. And there it is, our weight loss drink is ready. We suggest you to consume this hot drink in the morning and before the breakfast. For a better result, try it for consecutive days and surprised by the changes in your body. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, like and follow us on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye for now.